he met me backstage, and I think Ram Leela had just released, or he had seen something.
Okay, do you actually?
Okay.
Who are you? Where have you come from? You're somebody's girlfriend? Are you a journalist?
Ethan.
She's only smiling. She's just smiling. She's your girlfriend, huh? Don't lie. Don't lie. She keeps looking at you and smiling.
Go ahead.
Going to be your girlfriend.
Last show.
I know, yeah, I can make out, please.
Last show.
Can I have some more? Yeah.
Contemporaries.
Who inspires me? From my contemporaries. I think everybody inspires me, and I say this because I think it's the most interesting time to be in Indian cinema right now. The kind of filmmakers that you have, the kind of talent that we have, the number of actors that we have, the kind of films that we are being made. I think everyone is. I really believe that it's the most exciting time, and the kind of films that not just me, I think even my contemporaries are doing. Everything is so exciting right now that I think everyone is, I think everyone is challenging the other in a very, very positive, healthy way.
Recently, Kill Dil के promotion में गोविंदा just complimented रणवीर that उन्हें आपकी और रणवीर की जोड़ी काफी ज़्यादा पसंद है. तो आपका इस बारे में क्या कहना है?
He actually said this to us when we were at IFA last year, and he met me backstage, and I think Ram Leela had just released, or he had seen something of Ram Leela, and he really, really liked our on-screen pairing. And Ranveer is someone who's extremely fond of Govinda, and I think he enjoys his work, and he in a lot of ways tries to be like him, because I think he's inspired by Govinda in a lot of ways. So I think it's a huge compliment for us coming from someone like Govinda ji, whose work we admire, and whose films I've grown up watching.
दीपिका, आपने रणवीर सिंह का न्यू लुक भी देखा होगा, कैसा लगा आपको?
जी नहीं, मैंने देखा नहीं है, because I have not started shooting for Bajirao Mastani yet. When I start shooting next year is when I'll see the look.
Deepika, Bajirao Mastani की जैसे आपने बात करी, there have been reports that you are a little bit upset with Priyanka's role in the film because उनका role काफी ज़्यादा है, and are you upset?
Do I look upset?
Not now, but there were reports. So
ज़्यादा रोल है?
Huh?
ज़्यादा रोल है?
I'm hearing this for the first time. Absolutely not. There's absolutely no truth to this, and I really request all of you also to not bring this up again after this, because we're already working in a very, very lovely environment where everyone is getting along with everybody. We have, all three of us have been given the same narration, the same script. We are very well aware of what we're getting into before getting into this film. And I think we're all very, very comfortable working with each other. So let's not try and complicate things when there is no issue. She's someone I'm extremely fond of. She's someone I respect a lot. And most importantly, I think she and I are, we know each other too well for any of this to affect that equation.
दीपिका, आज शाहरुख के बर्थडे पार्टी में आप जा रही हैं, आपकी तो आपकी तरफ से क्या बर्थडे गिफ्ट मिलने वाला है?
मैं जा रही हूँ खुद.
That's the gift.
That's the gift. No,
Okay.
I hope.
Anybody else?
I don't have a.
Go ahead.
I think in terms of material things, I don't think there's anything that he wants or needs. He's got everything. I just wish him a lot of love and happiness and success. Actually, not even success. He's got all of that also. Peace of mind. And I just want him to be happy, because I think that's what he's given us for so many years, through his songs, through his films, through his performances. He's given us so much love and happiness in our lives, and I wish him the same.
और एक चीज आपने कहा कि आप एंजॉय करते हैं प्रोसेस को, जब फिल्म मेकिंग शाहरुख के साथ काम, पिछली पहली फिल्म भी आपकी शाहरुख के साथ थी, और इस फिल्म में भी वो प्रोसेस और बाकी जो दूसरे एक्टर्स हैं उनके साथ जो आपने काम किया, क्या डिफरेंस फील करती है ऑन सेट व्हाइल फिल्मिंग?
I won't say there's a difference. I think every co-star that I've worked with till today, or every experience that I've had till today on a film set, has been very, very pleasant. Which is why even in my films that didn't do well, I never regret any of them, because even if the films didn't do well at the box office, they are films. I've made friends. If Imran and Avantika and Shahana and all these people are my friends, it's because I did a film called Break Ke Baad. And okay, maybe the film didn't, wasn't received in the way that we expected it to, but I've got friends for life, and sometimes I think I value these things more than anything else. So of course, the success of a film makes the experience even better, but I think the journey and the people that you work with, and I genuinely feel like I've been fortunate to have worked with some really amazing people.
क्या कभी